a 2022 Avalon VEN 22-foot FNC. I'll give you the goods on why it is called the Fish and Cruise FNC. First off, at the back of the boat here, we got a 90 horsepower Mercury engine. It's rated for 100, so Merc only does 100 and 115, so we put the biggest motor we could get on it. From the back to the front, we got a 4-step ladder here, foldable obviously. And as we go along the side, we can see we got the black rub rail, the black railing on the fence, and the black Bimini top rails. Black out logos, which look very good. And this is the steel blue in color. Chrome logos as well here on the side. Come along the front of the boat. This is why they call it the FNC. So you got the 2 fishing seats outside of the front of the playpen. So you got a nice option to fish, cast off the front, and you know, be away from the main entertaining crowd and just be able to fish. If you follow me on up, I'll show you what's going on inside the boat. At the front of the boat here, we got a half gate. What does a half gate mean? The half gate is for a trolling motor at the front, so that when it's fully deployed back onto the boat, you can close the gate and still have the ability to use the tarp and everything, and it's kind of stowed out of the way. If you want to come on inside, you can see I got the stainless cladding on here and the upgraded stereo system. The blue inserts in the seat, which kind of match the outside of the boat, very nice and sleek looking. Obviously we have pop-up privacy station with the side entry gate. If you come onto the back, you can see the seating arrangement here at the helm with the captain chair. I got a Garmin 5 fish finder in here with the Fusion stereo, upgraded steering wheel obviously with the tilt steering, one of my favorite things. We got the kidney table here, so it's nice and sleek, nice and small, so you can still have drinks and everything on the table. I added a wash down kit into the boat here, so you can see the wash down kit here. Obviously 2 rear fish chairs. So this is essentially like a quad fish, which is 2 in the front, 2 in the back, but it's the FNC, so 2 are on the outside of the railing, 2 are in the back. We got a live well rod storage as well.